Let's give you how long this pit stop is here. To go, 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 and that's 44 seconds. The second man will be coming in any second now. It could be Hutchie. It is. It's number 6. And go, oh, and of course, Martin Cunningham on Martin, of course, line 4 at the moment, just mine down the way, so this is engaging Archibald on the task machine. Unfortunately, one of them we have lost already. It's no problem, split landing, no worries. There you go, there's Archie in. Let's get out of the way, so Hutchie in, clean visor in. Any new tyre in for Hutchie? Yes, it seems to be, yes, a new tyre in for Hutchie on the back also. Hutchie currently in that 3rd place. Guy Martin, the 2nd place man. He will be getting ready to go any second, so who's going to be the next to leave? It's the sprint to the finish. It's up to the mechanics to do their job now. The riders are out there in the heat. There's a lot of pressure on these bikes. Who's the first to go? It's Hutchie. Hutchie's going to find it.
They're coming all together.
It is number 9, it's Ryan Barcroft, but they're locking it off the Stobart machine. Over to turn it in a few moments' time to some time. Ryan Barcroft is coming in now. So Farquhar is in, and Ian Locker is in. Ian's currently holding around about 6th place at the moment, but a 44-second pit stop. Here's the next man in. Is it the big man, the 2-metre man from Ramsey? It is. It's Connor Cummins, who's up to number 10. So the big arms go up. There's a guy in the big blue overalls. He's rather tall as Connor actually. He comes in now. And Connor gets in, remember. Ian Locker, can he get the Stobart light fired up? He does. The Stobart light fired. The only one in the one side, Ryan Fire.